Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of Prestashop Product Auction. In this tutorial, I will explain you how the store admin can add auction for his products. Now let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. Let's start with module configuration. The module configuration is divided into 5 parts: general configuration, customer configuration, allow all customers for bid, buy now price and time configuration, and increase decrease configuration. Let's start with general configuration first. From here, admin can enable or disable the display of bidder's name who has won the auction at the front end. From here, admin can enable or disable the sending of winning email to the bidder. If enabled, then admin can set a customized message here that will be sent to the bidder in an email. From this field, admin can enable or disable the sending of an email to the previous leading bidder. If enabled, then admin can set a customized message that will be sent to the previous leading bidder in an email. In this field, admin can configure the number of days within which the winning bidder can buy the product. In this field, admin needs to specify the minimum difference between two bids. The difference set by admin here will be applicable only in the case of normal bid. From here, admin can enable or disable the selling of the product even after the auction gets completed. From here, admin can enable or disable to continue the auction if the customer has purchased the product through buy it now option. From these fields, admin can enable or disable the display of auction tab on the main menu and the category page. If admin has enabled this field, then the winner can purchase only the single quantity of the auctioned product. In this field, admin can set the maximum product quantity a customer can purchase through buy it now option. Now let's have a look at the customer configuration. If admin has enabled this field, then the bidder who won the bid but did not purchase the product can participate in other auctions running on the store. If allow winners to bid is disabled, then admin can reset it by allowing the customers who have either purchased a winning product or their order got cancelled. If auction is already running on the store, then admin cannot change these settings. Now let's discuss buy now price and time configuration. Admin can enable increase auction time and buy now price. Close by time is the time remaining for the auction, and after that the auction will be completed. Suppose admin has set 1 hour here and 20 minutes here. Now if there is 1 hour or less time remaining for the auction and a bidder places the bid, then the auction time will automatically increase by 20 minutes. Close by price is the difference between the highest bid and buy now price. Suppose admin has set buy now price of a product as $150, close by price as $50, and increase buy now price as $25. Now if a customer places a bid of $100, then buy now price will increase from $150 to $175. Now let's have a look at increase decrease configuration. From here, admin can set the price range and minimum increment or decrement value for the price range. By default, there are 10 ranges set in the module. After that, admin can add the range as per need. After adding the range, admin can delete it from here. Now let's add auction for the product. Admin can add auction to the product by navigating through catalog, products, edit product, modules. From here, admin can enable or disable the auction. In this field, admin can set the auction type as normal or reverse. Suppose admin has set normal auction here. After setting the auction type, set the starting bid price from here. Suppose admin has set $50 here. From here, admin can enable or disable the auction completion price. If enabled, then admin can set the price at which the auction will get completed. Suppose admin has set $150 here. In these fields, admin can set the start and end time for bidding. From here, admin can enable or disable the increment option. Let me explain you about the incremental auction. Suppose admin has set the price range and minimum increment value for the price range. The starting bid price is $50. Suppose a buyer places a bid of $50 and the minimum increment is $5. Now the next minimum bid will be $55. Buyer will bid on the product with minimum increment of $5 till the value reaches the second range, that is $101. When the bidding amount reaches $101, then the next bid amount will be $110, and then $120, and so on. From here, admin can enable or disable the automatic bidding. In this type of bidding, the bidder will bid the maximum amount that he is willing to pay for the product. This can be explained with the help of an example. Suppose there are three customers, John, Peter and Andrews, who are bidding for the product. The starting bid for the product is $60. Peter places the bid of $60. Then John places an automatic bid of $150 and Andrew places the bid of $65. Now an automatic bid of $70 will be placed for John. If Peter again places the bid of $75, then an automatic bid of $80 will be placed for John. John will win the auction if all the bids are placed below $150 and the auction time ends. From here, admin can enable or disable the Buy It Now option. If enabled, then admin can set the price at which the customer can buy the product without participating in the auction. Suppose admin has set $200 here. After adding auction to the product, let's have a look at the front end. Post integration, a new tab auction is added to the main menu, from where the customers can view the products on which the auction is running. Customers can also view the auction product on the home page as well as the category page. Now let's have a look at the auction product page. On the auction product page, a customer can view the starting bid price, a countdown timer displaying the days and time remaining for the auction, and buy now price of a product as set by admin from the back office. Suppose a customer places a bid of $60. As admin has enabled the incremental auction for this product from the back office, and the minimum increment value for the price range $1 to $100 is $5. Now the next minimum bid will be $65. If a customer places a bid of $105, then the next minimum bid will be $115, as the minimum increment value for the price range 101 to 200 is $10. If admin has enabled the automatic auction for the product, then a checkbox gets added on the auction product page, by clicking on which a customer can place an automatic bid. Suppose a customer John Doe has placed an automatic bid of $150. Now the highest bid is $115. Now if another customer places a bid, let's say $125, then an automatic bid of $135 will be placed for John Doe. Suppose admin has selected the reverse auction type while adding auction on the product. In case of reverse auction, customers places the bids lower than the starting bid price defined by admin, and the customer who places the lowest bid wins the auction at the end. After selecting the reverse auction type, admin can set the starting bid price, let's say $150, and the auction completion price as $20. From here, admin can enable or disable the decrement option. Let me explain you about this with the help of an example. Suppose the starting bid price is $150 and the buyer places a bid of, let's say, $150. As $150 is in the price range 101 to $200, and the decrement value for this price range is $10. Therefore, the next maximum bid will be $140. And if a customer places the bid, let's say $70, then the next maximum bid will be $65, as the decrement value defined for the price range 1 to 100 is $5. After adding reverse auction on the product, let's have a look at the front end. Suppose a customer places a bid of $150. Now the next maximum bid will be $140, as the decrement value for the price range 101 to 200 is $10. And if a customer places the bid, let's say $90, then the next maximum bid will be $85, as the decrement value for the price range 1 to 100 is $5. After the installation of the module, a new tab, Auction Bidding Details, is added to the customer's account. From this tab, a customer can view a list of all the auctioned products on which he has placed the bids. Customer can view the current bid, the last bid he has placed on the auctioned product, his automatic bid, the status of the bid, whether the bid is running or has been closed. From here, the customer can view whether he is leading the bid or won the bid or lost the bid. And from here, a customer can view the price he needs to pay in order to buy the auctioned product. From the back office, admin can view a list of products for which he has added auction from the auction product tab. Under this tab, admin can view the starting bid price, current bid, and automatic bid. From here, admin can view whether he has enabled increment, automatic, and buy now option while adding auction on the product. Admin can choose to delete the auction by clicking here. Admin can see the entire details of an auction by clicking on the view button. Here admin can view the bid details, that is how many times the customers has bid on the product, and winner details if the auction has been completed. After the installation of the module, two new columns, allow for bidding and allow one-time bidding, are added under the customers tab. From here, admin can enable or disable the customers from bidding. If allow for bidding has been disabled, then allow one-time bidding gets automatically disabled. Admin can also view a list of customers who have won the auction under Auction Winner Customers tab.